What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Today I got a little video for you guys. It's going to be a quick one. It's something that's relatively simple, but when I look on YouTube, which is where I go to get my information, usually, that's where I go first, there's not a lot of information about this out there on how to change out the seat on the Can-Am Ryker. So what this is this is the comfort seat, or as it was worded to me through Pro Caliber, it is the high-end driver seat. Okay, so it's nice suede. It's got the red stitching back here. Got the Can-Am logo here. Definitely way higher quality, way thicker foam. Really nice comfort seat. So the comfort seat, again, I picked this up from Pro Caliber. I went and got the high-end passenger seat, or the passenger seat comfort seat as well, and this was $299.99, and the passenger one was $399.99. Now the passenger one, obviously it's a smaller seat, so you'd think it wouldn't be as much, but you got to remember the reason the back seat would be more expensive is because it comes with the cross brace and it comes with the left and right pegs. So that is exactly why it is $100 more than this guy here, even though it's a smaller seat. Okay, so we're going to do a installation video on the whole entire rear passenger setup separately, because I feel like I want to go into detail on that one a little better. That one has, you got to install the pegs, you got to install the the foot pegs for the passenger, and you got to install the little cross brace, and then there's the locking mechanism. And then if you have drilled and tapped, I have a video in the description here that'll show you how to lock that back seat on, so even when you hit the little release, it can't come off. Because you got to remember, that's what, now we're spending $400 on a seat, and then I got the tall backrest, which is $300 also. So now you're looking at a $700 back seat. So I don't want somebody just to be able to click the little lock and walk off with it. So we've found a way to lock it on there from underneath, where you would need tools to actually get it off. So you can check that video out in the description below. But anyway, again, you can go to procaliber.com, check this out. I'm going to show you how to get the factory seat off and how to clip this one on. It's a pretty simple little process. Use these little clips down here. Okay, so let's head out to the bike and let's go get that seat off of there. Okay, so this is my 2019 Ryker 900 Ace. You see, it's got quite a bit done to it. So if we're going to be riding it, we want to ride just some more comfort. And as you can see here on the foam seat for the back, we've got a little tear right there, a little tear right there. And it's because right underneath this is some sharp corners. All right, so I don't know if that's, pretty sure that's just some normal wear and tear. So it's kind of worn out right there. Okay, so we're going to swap it up. I'm going to show you how to get that seat off. Okay, so for removing the driver's seat, what you're going to do is, if you lift the foam up, you're not removing the plastic under there, just the foam. You can lift up and you can look underneath it here, and you'll see these tabs that fold out like this, that go through the plastic and they fold out, and that's what locks it in. If you lift up nice and slowly, don't rip on it, you'll rip the foam. But if you pull up nice and slowly, it'll feel like it's going to give, and all of a sudden it'll go poop and pop right out. So I'll show you what the other side looks like. I've already taken that one off, and then I'll show you what it looks like while I'm taking that one off. Okay, so you can see this slides into that hole. Now, getting it back on, I'll show you a little trick to that as well. But let's go to the other side. Okay, so you should be able to see on camera here. If I pull this guy up, you can find where the tab is. It's right here. It's dark in there, but if I pull slow, there it goes. You can see there. That's it. Okay, now they're in the back too. And we're just gonna pull it straight up. And there we go. We got them all out. And there we go. We got them out. So see, so what it looks like underneath. You got these big pieces. So what I was saying is to put it back in here, okay, to get them back in there. When you lift the body open, this lifts up with the whole plastic. I have a video showing how to lift the body open. I'll put that in the description as well. It's on my YouTube channel. So when you lift this open, what happens is this comes up with it, and then that leaves these holes here open. Right now there's metal, but it leaves them open. So what you can do is you can take like a clip and put it on there like that, feed the clip and everything through, take the clip off, it'll do that. It's a pretty simple little trick. So you put a little clip on there, or you can use like a rubber band or even a zip tie around that to keep it pinched. And then once you get it through, cut the zip tie or get rid of the rubber band, and it does that. Okay, so now let's take a look at the new seat. Okay, so the new seat has metal clips, and they're going to snap all the way in here. And if you notice this wire, make sure it's tucked in. What this is this goes up. This is your rear passenger sensor. It's a magnetic sensor. That's where it's located, right there. Okay, so these clips all need to snap in to each one of these. And they should snap in without doing anything else. Right, this really shouldn't take any tools to do it. And getting it off of there, that's probably another ball game. But like I said, if you open the clamshell, you could pinch these and push the seat off. So again, it's just gonna, once you feel it fall in place, and that's it. Now you can tell that you have it on there. You lift it up a little bit and it's lifting that whole plastic. There we go. Much thicker. Jeez, what a difference. There's this little padded foam. I'm gonna be riding on some suede. Okay, so there we go. That is the driver's comfort seat or high-end seat for the Can-Am Ryker. I'm also going to be putting on that rear seat, so I'll let you take a look around the bike at what it looks like with the rear seat on as well. Okay, so here we are. Remember, I will be showing the pegs and rear seat mounting in a different video, but here's what it looks like with the tall, this is the tall backrest. And then we have the high-end or comfort seat for the rear, and then the comfort seat or high-end seat. Nice suede material. It's got that red stitching. They both match. So if you've got a little over $700 to spend, you should ride in comfort and get yourself a comfortable seat. Not bad at all. Not bad. Pretty impressive, really, for, you know, for a product that's not you know, something aftermarket and totally custom. Pretty impressive material. Waterproof, you know, water resistant. Anyways, so there you go. That's my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and make sure you're subscribed at least. If you're watching the video and you like the content that I put out, 65% of people that view my videos aren't subscribed to the channel. You know, subscribing is what gets me, you know, able to be showing you all this stuff that I show you on my YouTube channel. You know, that's how sponsors pick you up and say, well, I want to send you a product to show off. You know, the more subscribers, the more content I can put out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.